but a rhythmic run up to the wicket. And bowling! That's the one! He has redeemed himself. Dropped the catch and he comes back strongly. That was a super yorker.
Brilliant start. If he was thinking about what he wanted to bowl when he stopped running in the ball before, he certainly thought well. Ball straight, a little bit of a hint of movement back into Evan Lewis, but he's castled him, and what a...
Oh, another one bites the dust. What about that? This is extraordinary from Hassan Ali. Ball pitch, cleaned it up. Marvelous bowling here.
I think Tamim's thinking he should keep dropping catches before he comes on to bowl. Brilliant again. Ball straight, and he's got good pace on it. Both of these wickets, he's just beaten the batsman for pace, Shamim. And again, look at that. Little bit of movement back in. I think he would have been out LBW anyway. It's a brilliant delivery. Another wicket. And...
only Tamim Imran. Of course, Tamim Imran আমাদের star player.
And Hassan Ali comes back and bowls one of those beauties to completely shatter the wicket of Mosaddek Hussain.
Oh, he's an exciting talent. You can't keep him out of the game. Oh, he's a wicket-taking bowler.
He got into a really good momentum. He's on. He's back into the attack. Hassan Ali. Bowling! He can do nothing wrong. What a delivery. Again, dead straight and going out through the defenses.
Look at the celebration. The generator man, as he's called. Oh, well, there you are, the generator goes. Been few who got 4 wickets. Hassan Ali already got 4 here. That's 5. That's 5. Well, what a start. The swinging yorker. Castling him. And he does it for the first time in the BPL. AKS BPL 2017. Powered by Shah Cement. Just the tipping yorker. Castling him. So the powerful Dhaka batting lineup has been dismissed for 128.
What a delivery.